who wants to go down to the slide? Not me, I'm scared of it. Trust me, you'll be fine. Okay, now it's my turn to go. Oh my god, that was so fun. I want to go at her again. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do a monkey bars. See? It'll be easy. I think I'm gonna try. Uh-oh, I'm about to fall. Mushroom, no!
Lucky, where's my dog?
How about let's go to something better? How about the beach? It'll be cool, you guys. Don't worry, I think Mushroom can swim. I can't. Yes, I think you can. Just do it. Come on, do it. Oh no! Why did you do that to me? I'm sorry, I need you to learn how to swim, bro. What the heck, Kitty Fairy? Oh, here's an easy thing. Sandcastle. You just go like this. And then you go like that. Oh man, it's a little bit messed up. Oh, hey, I want to try. Here's what mine looks like. Frick. Oh man, you gotta do it next time. What the heck, Kitty Fairy?
I'm Mr. Ring-a-Ding, I make your heart bell sing.
So, Mushroom, do you want to jump in a tree? Oh, I don't know. I think it looks so scary. But you'll be fine. I have wings and I can fly. But it'll be so dangerous that am I going to fall? Less talking, more jumping. Maybe I shouldn't do that. So, guys, how's the playground and the beach?
Well, it's actually kind of amazing. I went down the slide and played some monkey bars, and that bunny doesn't even know how to do it.
Dude, I literally tried my best to... God! Anyways, yeah, Katy Fairy screaming on top of her lungs and making sand castles, and I got all wet because of Katy Fairy. She wants me to swim, bro. Can you stop misgendering me? Bro, it was a mistake! No!
Why the long face?